Prof.SUMIOKA's 1 Minute Philosophy.
Hi, how do you do?
Professor Sumioka, what is the frontier of philosophy?
Whenever you think about something, you are the frontier.
What's it all about?
People are noisy, and say, ancient ideas are better, or, modern ones are smarter. However, like cooking, whichever is old or new, the way you can handle things well, is the best. Generally, ancient ideas are solid and have a wide range of applications. On the other hand, modern ones are delicate and provide insight into subtleties. So, it is important to choose and use an appropriate one, depending on the situation. Anyway, those are far from philosophy, who only chase the thoughts of other philosophers. They are a sort of snob gossipies.
What do you think?
Think deep, then, know much. If you have selected tools for it, they are enough.
Professor Sumioka, I got it well, thanks.